I went out.
Okay, now we will open WPS Office. Click on this plus sign, green color sign sheet XLS. Now click on this plus sign again. This is a new Excel file. Now here I have to create the timetable. I'm going to rotate it. Okay, six. First of all, we have to select four, eight columns and merge them. H तक करना है and click on merge. ठीक है? Now here we can write timetable. Click on this keyboard sign which is on the left side. Now here you can type whatever you wanted to type. Timetable 6th D. Okay. So now the timetable is there. Now we will start writing rest of the things. Alignment we will do at the end. तो यहाँ पे हमें लिखना है days. Press the tab from here so that we can go to the next cell directly. आपको बार बार cell open करके उस पर click नहीं करना है. You can press the tab from here. Automatically now you move to the next cell. तो यहाँ पे हमें लिखना है 9, then tab, 10, tab, 11. Now let's say this is the third period. Third period के बाद break होता है तो हम यहाँ पे break लिख देते हैं एक बारी क्योंकि मैंने already instead of 8 rows I have already taken 9 rows. So break, tab, 12, tab, 13, tab, 14, tab, 15. चेक कर लेते हैं एक बारी. Everything is fine. ठीक है, 15 तक आ गया हमारा. अब मंडे ट्यूसडे लिख लेते हैं. Monday, we will write only Monday and then we will drag it. Till Saturday. Okay, now here you can start writing your मतलब subjects. I'm not typing here, but break को एक बार मैं करके दिखा देती हूँ. Merge and center कैसे करना है? So you will for break you will select all the cells till Saturday and then click on merge button. So automatically all the cells will get merged and break will come in the center also. Now let's give the border to the whole table. So I will select all the cells together. Right, like this. And then now go to this four boxes which is coming on the left hand side. एक keyboard आ रहा है, keyboard के sign के साथ में small dots type आ रहे हैं. Four, you have to click here. This is a formatting tab. Now home tab में formatting है हमारे पास. Alignment एक तो center कर देते हैं सबकी. Everything will be in center. Now I have to add the borders. So click on different types of borders, all borders. Now here you can give the simple borders only because this is phone. We cannot do everything in phone. ठीक है? Okay, fine. Borders we have given. Now we can go to format cell. इसमें देखो शायद borders में और options भी आएंगे. Yes, we have different styles for the border. Let's take this style. Color of the border should be purple and all borders. Okay. Fill it also. Background color I want as this one. Okay. And font color, font size also you can choose, font color also you can choose. हमने light green लिया था for font background, तो इसको हम blue ले लेते हैं. And then okay, okay. Now this is how it is coming. ठीक है. अभी I have given a common color to everything. You can give different colors also. For that you need to select one by one. I have selected the whole table in one go. आप पहले पूरा table select करके you can give a borders to everything and bring everything in center. Then for colors you have to choose one by one. So you can choose only, like, let's say only first row. This one. And then go to format cell, because you wanted to give a different color. Font color nahi, we have to change the fill colors. Fill color. And I wanted to give let's say this color. Okay, now the color is changed. So like this you can select one by one each cell or the group of cells, and then you can give different colors to those cells. This is how you can create a timetable in using phone. I hope it is clear to everyone.